What is going on, guys? This is Aaron. Today's video, kind of a weird one for this YouTube channel of mine. For the past 2 years now, most of my photography and videography work has been shot on the camera I'm using right now, which is a Sony A7iv with varying lenses. In my camera bag I have behind me, I have everything from, this is a Sigma 16mm 1.4. I have a Sigma 30mm 1.4, Sony 50mm 1.8, Sony 55 to 210. I have varying lenses that I like to use. My real estate photography has been popping off recently. I don't share much of it here on YouTube just because a lot of people don't want me filming inside their house, which is fine. So I just shoot the pictures and go. Other than that, I am shooting about 3 houses a day on average now, as opposed to 1 or 2 a week like I was. So my business has definitely picked up a lot. I'm still doing big car events, but those are more infrequent because I'm not just going to car shows or whatever every week and handing out cards and trying to meet people. I have a client that I shoot for pretty steadily, either every Sunday, every other Sunday, just kind of varies. But now I'm going out to large automotive events, but it's more sporadic, but the pay is better, if that makes sense. So with my business picking up, I decided to reinvest back into my business. If you follow me on social media or anything like that, you'll already know what I got, but I got this. So I decided to pull the trigger. I picked up the brand new A7 IV with the Tamron 28-75 G2 lens. So everything is new and updated. I have a small rig cage on it as well. I have done a few test photos, but nothing crazy. So I'm not going to have any photo samples of this. If you want to see photo samples, definitely feel free, leave a comment, and I'll probably do it on an upcoming video soon. I made sure that it was stabilized on my gimbal today. You can kind of see it behind me, like right there. I made sure to get it all balanced out today so I can mark it where it's going to be the easiest spot to get it in there faster and balance faster, because the balancing today was a chore, big time chore. But I do have a very big shoot coming up in October, which is another automotive one. It's called Truck Rodeo. And I'm trying to decide if I want to deck this out as like a film rig, or just kind of keep it like this so I can keep it mobile on the gimbal, or not. Because when I'm there, we're going to be doing filming in cars, walking, talking type stuff, which in all honesty, mounting a camera in a car, my 6100 has proven really great at that. And I have a Fat Gecko triple suction mount, which will hold this easily. But in terms of just overall space, this camera that I'm using right now is actually really good at fitting in tight spaces. Example, the SRT Superstock that I filmed, that was already, the rig to hold the camera and the camera itself was already taking up most of the visibility side of the passenger windshield. So putting this there, it's going to be a more sizable difference. I'll have pictures to put up side by side of old setup, new setup, so you can see exactly the size difference. But as a whole, this was a very sizable investment for me, and just playing around with it, I am loving the quality difference. The big thing for me was, photography wise, is I want to be able to do prints of cars that I shoot, because I shoot some pretty crazy cars. And I would love to be able to offer prints or posters of those at some point. And this camera moving up to that 33 megapixel sensor and it being full frame will allow me to do that. You could do it with the 6100, but the prints will actually get a little muddy looking, just because of everything kind of running together after the print. And it would be fine if you're putting it on a wall and viewing it far away. But as you see, all my posters are literally within feet, like arm's reach of me. So it's just kind of something I wanted to do. But again, thanks for watching. And for those of you that watch my YouTube channel that helps support my photography career, I greatly appreciate you guys. because it's awesome. I'm having a lot of fun. So thanks for watching. If you want to see any video or photography samples, let me know in the comments and we'll probably put it up next video. You have a good day. We'll see you on the next one.